Hello class! Today we will be practicing with the ABCs. The ABCs are very important to learn at this age, and they are building blocks for our language. We will be using different words that involve the ocean today to practice with the alphabet. So let's get started. First we have A is for algae, B is for blowfish, C is for crab, D is for dolphin, E is for eel, F is for fish, G is for golf, H is for harbor, I is for iceberg, J is for jellyfish, K is for kelp, L is for lobster, M is for mussel, N is for narwhal, O is for octopus, P is for pearl, Q is for quahogs, R is for reef, S is for shark, T is for turtle, U is for urchin, V is for vessels, W is for whale, X is for x-ray, Y is for yellowfin, and Z is for zooplankton. So those were just some different items in the ocean that we used to describe each letter of the alphabet. So for some practice, I would like each student to think of letters in the alphabet and words that start with each letter. So for example, B is for banana. So I want you to take each letter of the alphabet and find a word that starts with each letter. And I want you to either draw it or just write it. I want you to get creative, use a lot of color, and just have fun with this. So that's your assignment. Thank you.